Performance starts with what you wear, and we are here to raise the game. Introducing our premium sports bra and leggings, designed for athletes who demand comfort, style, and durability. Every stitch, every seam, built to move with you. From the gym floor to the basketball court to the running track, our gear keeps you sported no matter how intense the game gets. Breathable fabrics, sweat-wicking technology, fit that feels like a second skin, so you can focus on your performance, not your outfit. Whether you are powering through reps or chasing victory on the court, our sportswears work as hard as you do. Custom design, team colors, branding that stands out because your team deserves to look as good as they play. This is more than sportswear, it's your uniform for success. Order now and take your performance to the next level.